We'll guide you through how to use Vercel Browser efficiently. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and head to vercel.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to sign in or sign up if you haven't already. You can do this by clicking on the Login button in the top right corner. Enter your credentials and you'll be taken to your Vercel dashboard. Now, to create a new project, click on the New Project button, which is usually prominently displayed on your dashboard. If you're connecting a Git repository, click on Import Git repository and select the repository you want to deploy. Make sure to authorize Vercel to access your GitHub or GitLab account if prompted. After importing, you'll see a configuration screen where you can set up build and output settings. Usually, the defaults work well, but if you have specific needs, you can adjust them here. Click Deploy when you're ready. Vercel will then build and deploy your project. You'll see the progress in real time with logs displayed in the dashboard. Once the deployment is complete, you'll get a live URL where you can view your project. If you need to manage your deployments, click on the Deployments tab in your dashboard. Here, you can see all your current and past deployments, and you can roll back to a previous version if needed. Remember, Vercel automatically handles scaling, so your project will be optimized for performance without manual intervention. You can also manage environment variables and other settings under the Settings tab for each project. It's a powerful tool for developers looking to streamline their deployment process. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.